Hello, my name is Shae, and I am an account executive here at McKesson. I am proud to say that I am a graduate of the Field Sales Development Program and have been working as an account executive in Massachusetts for the past 2 years. The FSDP program is a unique sales development program that provides a comprehensive plan to prepare you to be in an outside sales role. As a sales rookie, the FSDP program allowed me to build my own brand and have hands-on experience building a sales background. I was able to attend sales trainings, learn new technology, and obtain my HIDA certification, which enabled me to grow my career as an account executive with one of the most prominent medical distribution organizations in the country. It also allowed me to learn from the best of the best by shadowing seasoned sales executives and networking with healthcare professionals out in the field. I was able to build valuable relationships that I will carry with me throughout the rest of my career. If you are interested in developing an established and successful career in medical sales, we would love for you to be a part of the FSDP team and hopefully one day an alumni.